Real Pogi also acting up. Horses out, Nature, Colonial Star, moving up Arias and Rivers of Gold. Portas in fourth, Peace Needed, Real Pogi, Babes Magic, Jeren Napo, Papato, and trailing the group is Pasaporte. Colonial Star is running by Grail, Nature in between horses, Rivers of Gold 3 wide. Then Pipeline Zoe in fourth, Portas, Real Pogi, Peace Needed, Babes Magic, and a long way back to Jeren Napo, Papato, and Pasaporte. We have Colonial Star by Abalalenga. And in second is Rivers of Gold. Nature in between horses. Then followed by Real Pogi in fourth, Portas, Peace Needed, Babes Magic. And still Colonial Star by Abalalenga. Rivers of Gold is on the outside. Nature, Peace Needed, Real Pogi, Babes Magic. We've got Rivers of Gold, Colonial Star, Real Pogi in third, Peace Needed in fourth, Portas. We've got Rivers of Gold by about the race, Colonial Star, Real Pogi, Peace Needed in fourth as they come down to the last one of the day. With Rivers of Gold, Real Pogi, Peace Needed is running by the Rivers of Gold, Real Pogi now on the outside. It's now Real Pogi, Rivers of Gold, and finally Real Pogi. Rivers of Gold, Babes Magic, Peace Needed, then comes Nature.
Tuloy-tuloy ang dehado dito sa araw ng Sabado dito sa San Lazaro with Real Pogi. Long shot winning race number 6. Wow, ganda.